Hello, today we take you inside Sollant Air Compressor factory to uncover the story behind our air compressor production. Shanghai Sollant Air Compressor was established in 2004 and now has over 21 years industry experience. Our factory covers an area of 13,000 square meters, equivalent to 64 basketball courts, and operates 4 dedicated air compressor production lines, producing tens of thousands of air compressors each year for customers around the world. The wall you see here is filled with photos of our customers. Over the past 21 years, Sollant has exported to more than 150 countries and established official distributorship in over 20 countries worldwide. Here is our showroom. We have a wide range of air compressor, oil-injected, oil-free, 4-in-1 diesel air compressor, and low and high pressure compressor. Our compressor uses for different applications, for construction industry, for like centrifugal compressors for oil and gas industries. We have air dryers, refrigerated air dryers, absorption air dryers. We have reciprocating compressors for oil and gas industry, natural gas compressors, diaphragm machine compressors, and we have intelligent cloud service center with air link to remote control your compressor with your phone. Now let's go to see our workshops. Factory production depends on reliable components. This is our parts warehouse, where a wide range of components are carefully stored to ensure the efficient and stable operation of every Sollant air compressor. This place is our sheet metal areas. Next, you will see our large machine workshop. The compressors produced here are larger and more powerful, designed for high performance and long-term continuous operation. The workshop we are currently in focuses on small air compressors. These models are compact, flexible, energy efficient, easy to operate, ideal for a wide range of applications. Whether small or large, every production line follows a strict manufacturing procedure. Each air compressor undergoes precise assembly and rigorous testing before it is approved for delivery to the customer. This busy workshop is one of our core production areas where we manufacture both electrical control panels and precision piping systems in-house. Quality is the lifeblood of the Sollant factory. In this testing area, every air compressor is thoroughly tested for pressure, stability, and noise level, ensuring that only reliable products leave our factory. Units that pass all tests are stored here in our finished goods warehouse, awaiting packaging and shipment. This area serves as a temporary staging zone, ensuring efficient and well-organized shipping process. After production, every compressor moves to the packing area. Each unit is professionally packaged to ensure safe transportation, prevent damage, and guarantee on-time delivery to our customers. What you see is our factory and equipment, but what you can see is our dedication and perseverance. It is this commitment that enables Sollant to continuously provide efficient, energy-saving, and reliable air compressor solutions. If you are interested in Sollant, please feel free to contact us.